Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's kitchen. So my husband decided that he wants his favorite omelette this morning, so I'm just going to film it and show you real quick how he likes his omelette. So all the ingredients that you're going to need is some eggs, some ham, some bacon, cheese, salt and pepper, and some oil, which we're just gonna pour over here in our pot that is already preheated. Not too much. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just throw the ham and bacon in there, let it fry real quick. So while our ham and bacon is frying, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper into the eggs. Salt and pepper. And I'm just going to whisk this up. He's not the fancy type, so he doesn't really like the onions and sweet pepper and all that. I am that kind of person. So I'm just showing you the husband style. He calls this loaded ham and bacon omelette. I don't know where he gets that from, but so we're going to name this the loaded ham and bacon omelette. Ludo special. You just let this let the bacon and the ham fry really nice, and then what I'm going to do after it finishes frying, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. So this is just about as much as I want it to fry, so I'm just going to transfer this to a plate. So after I transfer this to a plate, I'm just going to place back the same pot onto the stove, and I'm just going to throw a little bit more oil in there for our omelette, not too much. And then I'm just going to throw my whisk egg in here, and make sure you spread that over the pan evenly, because you want your omelette really big. So we're just going to use a spin technique to get the egg around into the pan. The more we spin it slowly, the more heat will distribute through the egg evenly. When our egg is distributed, what I'm going to do now is just place back the ham and bacon right on one side of your eggs, and just spread that on one side of the egg really nice. And then I'm just going to pop my cheese right onto the bacon and the ham. I'm just gonna split this in two so we get an even spread. And then now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to fold this side over onto the other side. This look really yummy. As you can see, the cheese is just melting away. And this is exactly how he likes it. So right about now our omelette is ready, so we're just going to transfer this onto a plate. That looks really good. So there you have it, guys, a quick and easy way how to make a loaded ham and bacon cheese omelette. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share, subscribe if it's your first time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.